Passive income is a crucial component of financial well-being in today's economy, offering a means of financial security and independence that extends beyond traditional employment. It provides a safety net, reduces dependence on a single income source, and allows individuals to enjoy more free time, pursue their passions, and build wealth over time. Passive income can be a vital part of retirement planning, protect against economic downturns, and offer entrepreneurial freedom. By diversifying income streams and generating money with minimal active effort, passive income empowers individuals to achieve greater financial stability and flexibility, ultimately enhancing their overall quality of life. In this video, you'll discover the keys to generating passive income and achieving financial freedom. Our purpose is to offer you valuable insights, expert advice, and real-world examples that will assist you in starting your passive income journey. So if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, just a friendly reminder to hit that like button, share our videos with your loved ones, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. Let's team up and find the way to financial freedom, making your dreams come true. One of the top sources of passive income is online businesses, such as affiliate marketing. Participating in online businesses, especially through methods like affiliate marketing, work smarter, not harder. Online businesses offer the potential to generate income streams that require minimal day-to-day involvement, allowing you to earn money even while you sleep. One possible approach is to establish an online venture, such as an e-commerce store, a blog, or engage in affiliate marketing. These methods allow you to earn commissions by promoting products or services offered by other companies. Affiliate marketing is a prime example of passive income. It allows you to earn money by generating sales or leads without having to create or manage the products yourself. Success is not solely determined by hard work, but also by working smart. Another option is to engage in passive investment in online businesses that are managed by others. Warren Buffett's philosophy of owning a share of a remarkable business. Platforms such as crowdfunding or angel investing provide opportunities for individuals to contribute capital to startups or established online ventures, enabling them to become passive investors in the success of these ventures. It is similar to the popular saying, when you invest in the success of others, you will also reap the benefits. However, it is important to note that the digital landscape is constantly changing and highly competitive. In order to achieve success in online businesses, it is crucial to have a well-thought-out strategy, continuously monitor the market, and be willing to adapt to new trends and developments. According to Robert Kiyosaki, it is essential to invest in your own abilities, making it the best investment you can make. Therefore, acquiring skills and staying informed are of utmost importance. So, online businesses have the potential to generate passive income streams by leveraging the internet's reach and scalability. This can be achieved through active entrepreneurship or passive investment. However, it is crucial to approach online ventures with a growth mindset, dedication, and a commitment to continuous learning in order to navigate the constantly changing digital landscape effectively. The second passive income is rental income. Rental income is often referred to as the golden goose of passive income streams and is a key component in wealth-building strategies. This income source involves the ownership of real estate properties, both residential and commercial, which are then rented out to tenants. In exchange for the rental, tenants pay a monthly rent. Warren Buffett astutely states that real estate is a valuable asset, and it possesses the unique characteristic of being a limited resource that cannot be reproduced. The beauty of rental income lies in its ability to generate consistent and often predictable cash flows. It is similar to getting paid without having to work every day, reflecting the age-old saying, "Earn money while you sleep." This particular income stream is highly regarded for its ability to grow in value over time. Property values tend to increase, and rent prices usually rise along with inflation, making it a reliable and resilient source of income. However, it is important to note that managing rental properties can be quite demanding. Despite the positive aspects, it is crucial to pay attention to the advice of experts such as Robert Kiyosaki, who emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough research and acquiring knowledge about property management. To fully benefit from rental income, it is crucial to prioritize effective property management, thorough tenant screening, and strict adherence to local regulations. Rental income is often seen as the ideal form of passive income, but achieving success in this area requires a combination of thoughtful planning, selecting the right properties, and having a long-term perspective. As the renowned investor Peter Lynch said, many people in the stock market focus solely on prices without considering the true value of investments. In the realm of rental income, recognizing the worth of real estate and the potential of passive income are key factors that can pave the way to financial success. Passive income option 3, peer-to-peer lending, P2P lending. Peer-to-peer lending, which is often compared to becoming the bank, is a contemporary variation of the long-standing tradition of lending money. Individuals have the opportunity to act as lenders and earn interest on loans to borrowers through platforms such as Lending Club and Prosper. The saying, "put your money to work for you," holds true, and P2P lending is a perfect example of how individuals can diversify their investments. Beyond conventional assets such as stocks and bonds, investors have the potential to earn higher returns by extending loans to borrowers, as compared to the returns offered by traditional savings accounts or bonds. This echoes the well-known financial adage, "don't put all your eggs in one basket." Diversifying your investment portfolio is considered a fundamental aspect of financial wisdom. One way to achieve this is by exploring the option of peer-to-peer, P2P lending. However, it is crucial to exercise caution and thoroughly research borrowers when choosing them to minimize the risk of default. This is because the investment landscape has its fair share of potential pitfalls. When it comes to any financial endeavor, it is essential to take heed of the advice provided by the esteemed investor Warren Buffett. He famously stated, "Risk arises when one lacks knowledge about what they are doing." P2P lending is essentially a unique method for generating passive income. However, in order to succeed in this financial arena, it is crucial to exercise caution, conduct thorough research, and have a comprehensive understanding of the lending landscape. Passive income option 4, intellectual property. Intellectual property is a valuable asset that provides financial security, and its ability to generate passive income is often compared to owning real estate in the mind. Intellectual property includes patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. It can be a valuable asset for creators and innovators. By legally protecting their intellectual creations, individuals can generate income from their ideas without needing to be actively involved. As Mark Cuban wisely advises, ensuring the protection of your intellectual property is of utmost importance. Patents, trademarks, and copyrights are valuable assets for the future. For example, let's consider an inventor who successfully patents a revolutionary technology. Companies have the option to license or sell the patent to other interested parties who wish to utilize or further develop it. By doing so, they can enjoy financial benefits without the need for continuous effort. In a similar vein, when a writer publishes a book, they have the opportunity to earn royalties from each sale. This allows them to transform their creative work into a continuous source of income, reflecting the idea of making your money work for you. Furthermore, it is important to note that one does not necessarily have to be an inventor or author in order to reap the benefits of intellectual property. It is also possible to make investments in the IP of others. This quote from Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of long-term planning and foresight. The reason someone is enjoying the shade today is because someone had the foresight to plant a tree a long time ago. Investing in intellectual property can be a profitable venture. This can involve purchasing shares in a technology company that possesses valuable patents or entering into a copyright licensing agreement to support a promising artist. However, it is crucial to proceed with caution and consult with legal experts, as intellectual property can be a complex and intricate area. Intellectual property is essentially a means to generate passive income by capitalizing on your ideas and creativity. It allows your creations to become a continuous source of revenue. As Albert Einstein once said, "The key to being creative is knowing how to conceal your influences." Passive income option 5, annuities. Annuities, commonly known as personal pensions, are financial tools that provide a reliable and structured income stream. They embody the well-known adage, "a penny saved is a penny earned." These agreements typically involve individuals making a lump sum payment to an insurance company in exchange for regular, scheduled payments, which are usually received during retirement. The appeal of annuities lies in their capacity to offer financial security during retirement, reflecting the insightful words of John D. Rockefeller. "Do you know the only thing that gives me pleasure? It's satisfying to see my dividends coming in." Annuities are specifically designed to provide retirees with a reliable and steady income, which helps to minimize the possibility of running out of savings during their retirement years. This addresses the common concern expressed in the saying, "plan for retirement, not just your retirement plan." However, it is important to acknowledge that annuities are available in different forms, each having its own set of benefits and drawbacks. There are annuities that provide immediate payments, while others offer deferred payments, giving you the option to delay receiving income until a future date. Fixed annuities offer consistent payouts, providing a predictable income stream. On the other hand, variable annuities have the potential for higher returns, but come with increased risk. Selecting the appropriate annuity for your financial objectives and situation is of utmost importance. This decision carries long-term implications, much like Warren Buffett's perspective on investing, where he famously stated, "Our preferred holding period is forever." In addition, it is important to note that the annuity landscape can be quite intricate. Therefore, it is highly recommended to consult with a knowledgeable financial advisor who can provide guidance and assistance in navigating this complex terrain. Annuities are a powerful tool in achieving financial peace of mind during retirement. They represent the idea of creating a financial safety net and ensuring a consistent income stream. Passive income option 6, real estate. Real estate, often referred to as the king of investments, provides various opportunities for generating passive income, aligning with the popular saying that landlords grow rich in their sleep. This particular type of investment allows individuals to accumulate wealth by owning and managing properties, offering both a place to live and a means of achieving financial stability. One approach is to purchase physical properties and lease them to tenants. This strategy was famously endorsed by Andrew Carnegie, who stated, 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. Becoming a landlord can be a profitable venture, especially if you prioritize location and property maintenance. By following the principles of location, and ensuring that your properties are well kept, you can enjoy a consistent stream of rental income. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, is a viable option for gaining exposure to the real estate market without the need to handle property management responsibilities. This option aligns with the belief that diversification is the only free lunch in investing. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, are companies that specialize in owning and managing income-producing real estate assets. These assets can include a variety of properties such as apartment complexes, office buildings, and shopping centers. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, provides several advantages, including liquidity, portfolio diversification, and the potential for attractive yields. This aligns with Benjamin Graham's timeless advice to buy when most people, including experts, are pessimistic. However, similar to any other investment, real estate comes with its own set of risks and necessitates thoughtful deliberation. The property market is known for its fluctuations, which is why property management requires both diligence and financial prudence. It is crucial to take heed of Robert Kiyosaki's advice. Real estate is a timeless asset that consistently appreciates in value. Real estate is a highly effective means of generating passive income, whether through owning properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. It has the potential to provide long-term financial stability and facilitate the creation of wealth. Passive income option 7, dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks can be compared to planting financial seeds and continuously benefiting from the returns, reflecting the enduring truth of dividends don't lie. Investing in dividend stocks means that you become a shareholder and part owner of a company. The appeal of this income stream is rooted in the reliable dividend payments that companies distribute to their shareholders as a portion of their profits. John D. Rockefeller once famously remarked, "The sole source of my satisfaction lies in witnessing the arrival of my dividends." Dividends provide a reliable source of income, commonly known as mailbox money, as they are deposited into your account without requiring you to sell your shares. It's similar to caring for a money tree that produces fruits without harming the tree itself. In addition, dividend stocks are highly regarded for their ability to offer consistent income even when the market experiences a downturn. This sentiment is similar to Warren Buffett's famous quote, "It is only when the tide goes out that you learn who has been swimming naked." Prudent stock selection is crucial because not all companies pay dividends, and the sustainability of dividends can vary. Following the advice of Peter Lynch to invest in what you know is crucial. When selecting companies, it is advisable to prioritize those with robust financials, a track record of steady dividend payments, and a dedication to providing returns to their shareholders. Although dividend stocks can provide passive income opportunities, it is important to note that they are not without risks. It is crucial to understand that the performance of individual stocks can vary significantly. In order to achieve success, it is important to adopt the principles of patient investing and maintain a diversified portfolio. This concept is effectively summarized by Warren Buffett's well-known quote, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." Dividend stocks offer a valuable opportunity to generate a consistent income stream. By investing in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, these stocks align with the principle of putting your money to work for you. In conclusion, the realm of passive income offers a wide range of opportunities for individuals to attain financial independence and security. There are numerous ways to generate consistent income streams that can liberate you from the limitations of a typical 9-to-5 job. These include peer-to-peer lending, real estate investments, intellectual property, dividend stocks, owning businesses, annuities, and rental income. Education, diversification, and strategic decision-making are the essential elements for achieving success in the realm of passive income. The concept is centered around the idea of putting your money to work for you. Rather than constantly working hard to earn money, it is important to heed the advice of renowned financial experts who have emphasized the significance of approaching these sources of income with diligence, patience, and a long-term perspective. So, whether you're just beginning your passive income journey or looking to expand your financial portfolio, remember that financial freedom is within reach. By continuously learning, exploring, and taking action, you will pave the path towards a future that is both secure and prosperous. We appreciate your decision to embark on this journey of financial empowerment with us. We are excited to assist you in reaching your financial goals. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.